Discover the joy of music with our easy piano lessons designed just for beginners. Dive into the world of piano playing with simple techniques that make learning a breeze. Perfect for anyone starting their musical journey. Our beginner piano series will have you playing your favorite tunes in no time. Santa Claus is Coming to Town is a classic Christmas song that brings the festive spirit to life with its joyful melody and playful lyrics. The song, originally written by John Frederick Coots and Haven Gillespie in 1934, reminds children to be good because Santa Claus is on his way making his list and checking it twice. Its catchy tune and cheerful message have made it a holiday favorite, often sung during Christmas celebrations and loved by all ages. Practice the C major scale before trying to play the melody. You become comfortable with the notes used in the melody. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Pa ga ma pa 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 da ni sa sa ga ma pa pa da pa ma ma ga pa sa ga re ma ni sa. Pa ga ma pa 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 da ni sa sa ga ma pa pa da pa ma ma ga pa sa ga re ma ni sa. Sa ri sa ni sa da da, sa ri sa ni sa da da, ri ga ri 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 ni ni ni, ni sa ri sa ni da pa, pa ma ga ri, pa ga ma pa pa, pa da ni sa sa, ga ma pa pa da pa ma ma, ga pa sa ga re ma ni sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.